No, really. Where are you pushing that to? Where are you going to push that to? Here, I'm going to push it over here.
Well, give him a little piece.
What was that? Oh, really? He's pushing so hard. Really? Where? What do you want? Oh, okay. You want that? Oh, no.
You want it? There we go. One more. Was that good?
Apparently. What? Alright. We're going long distance this time.
Oh my goodness. There's no way.
It's all the way over here. Here.
He can't reach.
Come on. Alright.
Alright, Isis, you gotta learn how to do that. Oh jeez, I'm turning this off now.